beautiful, beautiful day. It is so beautiful. This is in Westchester, Ohio. Here's some ducks and the waterfalls. It's along a trail and a pond. Yes, beautiful, beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. I'm taking a little walk. You hear the airplane going past, flying above there. Here's another falls. Fall is just such a beautiful time. Fall is such a beautiful time. I just love the falls, and today is so beautiful. I may be taking my son to the park pretty soon, as he wanted to do some running, getting in shape for basketball. I could just stay outside all day. If I didn't have to do anything inside, I would be. I would be enjoying the beautiful parks, the water, the waterfalls all day. There was a time that I dropped my keys in this water right here on this bridge. It was scary. I dropped my keys in there, but you know what? I found them. They got caught under a rock. Right in here. They got stuck on a rock, and I was glad I had it on a big clump of keys because it wasn't just one key. So I was able to save it easier. Anybody like me, you can just sit by the water for hours and hear the waterfalls, hear the creeks. I can just sit by it. I could see it for hours and listen to it. I've been finding so many videos lately of just relaxing videos with water, listening to them at least 15 minutes a day, and normally I listen to them longer than that. Because they're just very peaceful. I love listening to water anyway. So it's just very peaceful. What are you doing today? What do you like doing on a 75-degree day? And then I'm also listening to digital product training right now. I got off of Zoom to get on a few. I'm going to listen to it again tonight and take notes, but I'm going to taking notes on learning how to do digital marketing, digital training. All right. It's good to learn different ways of earning income and sharing what we know how to do. Correct? Talk to you later. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye, and enjoy God's creation.